iQuest played a very big role in my NEET journey. First up, they helped you prepare all the subjects, all the topics were completely covered, and every doubt that I had, I could go to any of the teachers at any time. They were always readily available for this. Moreover, they helped you connect, they helped keep your parents updated too on your progress with weekly tests and PTMs. So they were never out of the loop, and they made my entire support system very cooperative, which helped me in turn achieve a better rank in NEET. I joined iQuest in 9th grade, and that's the foundation wing, and iQuest helped me link 9th grade with my 11th grade syllabi and my 10th grade with my 12th grade syllabi, so I could easily relate as I went into the higher classes with what kind of questions to expect, what kind of things I should be focusing on. They helped me focus on my weakness, helped me cover up my mistakes, and that in turn helped me get a much better rank. I think my parents already knew a lot of the teachers in iQuest, and they had a very personal rapport with them, so they were very trusted since the very beginning. And with all the ranks that were coming out of iQuest, we knew we were going into a very trustworthy institute with very legitimate ranks and achievements. So we had a lot of trust in all the teachers and my parents. The teachers had a very unique way of teaching us. They helped make those classes fun and interesting as you kept going, because with such a huge syllabi, you start to lose interest as you keep going, as it's a lot to handle, a lot of things to take in, a lot of new knowledge, and they helped you tackle that head on. Day after day, they helped us keep going and not lose hope. I think iQuest helped you maintain a very healthy competition with your peers, and they helped you learn from them, learn from their mistakes, and they helped you keep going. That I think is very, very essential for your NEET preparation. Without that, it's just not possible to keep growing, keep learning, and keep working hard consistently. We got a very good testing experience in iQuest, and every 2 weeks we had tests that kept you updated with the syllabi. They kept you going, and yes, it was the same level of competition. iQuest helped you prepare for anything, whether it be an easy NEET, a very tough NEET, and they gave you a lot of questions. They helped expose you to every type of question with every concept. Even with the updated NEET pattern, iQuest quickly updated all of its tests as such, and that helped you get a very real life experience of what the NEET exam would feel like as you went into it. iQuest had a very good mentorship support, especially Dheeraj sir. They helped you prepare the timetables, and they helped you plan for what was ahead for any test series, for any exam whatsoever, and they helped you maintain a very good rapport with your parents too, and it's essential to keep them involved in your NEET journey as well. Yeah, the study modules were very comprehensive. They helped you cover every type of question, whether it be a very hard one with a significant twist, or even the simpler ones that you expected in previous year NEET questions. They helped cover every sort of question, every topic, and that keeps you very mentally prepared for what might come in the NEET exam. I think I want to say just keep going, take it one step at a time, one day at a time, keep working hard consistently, and keep calm most of all. Anything can happen in the real paper, and you need to be prepared for all of it. iQuest will have a role in mentally preparing you for everything that you might encounter, but you need to first of all stay calm and keep yourself grounded. That is one of the main things that will help you achieve a much better rank in NEET.